Shirts are wardrobe essentials, but who says they have to be basics? In this haul, I have got 6 stunning pieces, 3 of them in classic white, but each one with its own unique twist. Crisp and structured to flowy and fun. I have something for everyone. If you are into effortless everyday styling or into statement pieces, this haul got you covered. So, without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with this stunning white embroidered shirt from 20 Dresses. Yes, I am trying this brand for the first time and I am pleasantly surprised with the quality and style of this shirt. It is made in pure cotton fabric, that means it is breathable, super soft and comfy. You can wear it all day long, and this embroidery, it is just stunning. It has this beautiful multicolored sea themed embroidery. You can see these trees, this starfish. It is just cute and delicate. It gives this shirt a soft, delicate touch. It has this spread collar and long sleeves. I have folded these sleeves, but it has this long sleeves with a cuff and button which keeps it classic, while the curved hemline makes it easy to style. For the styling, I have paired it with this classic straight leg jeans for that fresh, effortless vibe. And for the jewelry, I kept it really minimal with this pearl studs and a silver bracelet. Because this look is effortless everyday look, I kept it really simple. For the footwear, I paired it with my go-to white chunky block heels because comfort is the key in this kind of look. This is honestly a everyday look which you can wear to office if you are staying at home or you are going out with friends. This look is perfect for every occasion. What do you guys think? Next up is this beautiful striped shirt from a brand I totally trust. It is from brand Voguester. They make casual shirt just right, and this one is no exception. It is a beautiful shirt made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is comfortable to wear all day long. It is super breathable and comfy, and these white and navy blue stripes gives it that classic look. It has that effortless, timeless vibe. This shirt has band gala, long sleeve and straight hem, which is giving it that classic look. To match that classic vibe of the shirt, I have paired it with this straight jeans. For the accessories, I kept it really minimal with these pearl hoops and a simple silver bracelet. For the footwear, because I am going to wear this shirt all day long, I have paired it with my go-to chunky white heels because they are super comfortable. I can walk in them all day long. What I can say, you can live in this shirt. You can wear this to office, you can wear this for shopping, you can wear it at home. This is truly everyday, whole day shirt. I know this isn't technically a shirt, but please hear me out. I had to include it. It is from the brand Virgo, which again I am trying for the first time. The moment I saw this shirt, I knew this is going home with me. This is a shirt or a top, what you can say, made in the softest cotton fabric, and this beautiful embroidery and lace detail, absolutely dreamy. It has this mandarin collar, button closure at the front, these beautiful puff sleeves, curved hemline, so you can see it is a beautiful, elegant, timeless piece, and you can see this beautiful embroidery. Can you see? And these lace detail, pintux details makes it a classic piece. I have paired this beauty with H&M's flared leggings. For the jewelry, these gold hoops from Salty, this beautiful bracelet from Lil Origin for that touch of glam. For the footwear, I have paired it with my favorite acrylic strap wedges from Catwalk. These wedges has prettiest gold stud details all over it, and I love how they complete the entire look together. On top of that, it is sustainable and eco-friendly, so it's win-win. This outfit is perfect for brunches, little family get-togethers, or any time when you want to look effortlessly chic. So what do you guys think? Would you like to wear this look? Tell me in the comments. Next up is this absolute stunner from Max Woman. It is white colored relaxed fit shirt, which is all about effortless style and comfort. It is made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is light and breezy, and the chiffly details, it's just gorgeous. They give the shirt such an elegant yet casual vibe. This shirt has spread collar, drop shoulders and 3/4 sleeves. Basically a perfect mix of relaxed and polished. I have paired it with H&M's flared leggings for that easy everyday look. For the jewelry, I kept it really simple with these silver studs and matching bracelet because honestly, the chiffly shirt is doing all the talking. For the footwear, my go-to acrylic strap heels because comfort is the key when you want to create an everyday look. This is a kind of shirt which you can throw on for any casual occasion when you want to look stylish but stay comfy. So what do you guys think? Would you include this shirt into your wardrobe? Please tell me in the comments. This next look is extra special because I am trying two pieces together. This shirt is from H&M and this beautiful midi skirt is from Tokyo Talkies, and I am obsessed with how this combo has turned out. Let's start with the shirt. It is two-tone beauty in two gorgeous shades of green. It is made in airy cotton fabric which makes it perfect for summer days. It has gently dropped shoulders, spread collar, long sleeves with buttoned cuff and rounded hem. Plus it is a long shirt which makes it super versatile to style. Now for the skirt, it is off-white colored, paneled A-line midi skirt, but it is looking maxi on me because I am only 5'3", but I love the fit of this skirt. It has elasticated waistband and button closure which makes it super easy to wear. Plus it has two pockets which adds the extra layer of comfort to the skirt. For the accessories, I kept it really simple with these silver studs and matching bracelet. For the footwear, my go-to acrylic strap heels because it is not only giving me some elevation but these are super comfortable also, so you can see the complete look. Last in this haul is this beautiful shirt from brand Hancock, which again I am trying for the first time. Lately I have been trying all these new brands and they are surprising me in best possible way. This one is cotton chiffly shirt in most stunning shade of blue. As per shirt description, it is a relaxed boyfriend fit, but for me I ordered my usual size which is large and it is looking a fitted shirt. It is not looking like a boyfriend fit. So if you want that fit, please go for a size up. Other than that, it is a simple spread collar shirt with front button closure, long sleeves with cuffs with buttons. It is a classic shirt, but the chiffly details, it's just gorgeous. This shirt has that classic formal vibe to it, so I have paired it with this Tokyo Talkies midi skirt and it is creating that formal look. For the accessories, again I kept it simple with these silver hoops and matching bracelet. For the footwear, my go-to acrylic strap heels, and you can see the complete look. It is a simple classic look which you can wear to office. It is such a classy and effortless look. Still it looks chic and polished. What do you guys think? Would you like to try this brand and this look? Tell me in the comments. If you find this content useful, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.